Let's talk about that.
Now, you know that Medicare is a completely government-run health care system,
right,
and yet you're saying you would have voted for it.
And we today need to focus on eliminating the fraud, waste, and abuse in Medicare,
Okay,
Lawrence.
let's do that. You would have voted in 1965 for a single-payer, government-run, totally government-controlled health care system for people 65 and over. You said you would have voted for that.
I'm not completely familiar with the way Medicare was structured in 65,
really?
But I do know how Social Security was set up. I can tell you 1935, Lawrence.
Really?
I know Social Security was a safety net.
But not 65.
I'm more familiar with the way it was set up originally in 65 as a last resort.
But you're sure you would have voted for Medicare, even though you don't know what was in it in
Lawrence,
1965.
we are in 2009 at a time of record debt and deficit, and you won't even permit the people you interview who are, listen, I'm here in good faith and earnestness to offer and talk to you and your listeners about the fiscal conservatives in Congress who are working hard to lay out alternatives to control costs, to stop fraud, and to protect the patient-doctor relationship.
You lie to America about the evil of government health care because you people, not one,
Lawrence, you don't know who I am.
You liars about government health care is willing to repeal Medicare, to stand up and be consistent and say, I hate government-run health care, so I want to repeal Medicare. Instead, you go out and lie to Medicare recipients that you're on their side, and then you tell everyone else government-run health care is evil.
Lawrence, I suggest Lawrence, you don't know the first.
That you guys perpetrate every day.
Lawrence, do you wonder why nobody watches MSNBC?
Time with that.
It's unbelievable. What? You don't know who I am. You call me a liar on national television.
Yeah,
it's objectionable. It's offensive. I have never. You know what, Lawrence? You have never interviewed me, buddy. You don't know who I am, Lawrence.
And then you lie and pretend it's an evil for other people.
Lawrence, I can tell you that my constituents are very happy with me. I just had a town hall meeting last week. It was a great success. It was very uplifting and energizing because we're on the same page, Lawrence. We don't want the government or anybody else between me and my doctor.